Alright, now welcome to SC Custom Designs. I'm using my camera again. Not really pleased with the new camera that I got from China. $265 one, but oh well, you gotta try some things out. Take some chances. So I'm gonna keep it, but right now it'll be easier for me just to use my phone. So we're gonna unbox this unit here. It's two DeWALT drills. Just want to make sure you see my head here. More than likely you do. Okay, and we're going to unbox this guy. Ready to unbox. I love doing unboxes like that. So we're going to open this bag up and we're going to start drilling into these 4x4 blocks. If you watch the series of me, my new series on building bandsaw boxes out of 4x4s in my wife's sewing room, it's the second set for her. They weren't working out for her, so I made her some new ones. They're deeper and they're longer, except for the two on the end. But this was the wood I was playing with to show you how to do biscuits. So I decided, well, let's go ahead and use this for drilling in with a 1/4 spade, 1 1/4 inch spade. We're going to drill into a cinder block, which is down here, and we're going to drive in these really huge units here. So we'll drill those in to here, and we're going to screw in screws, long screws, 10 by 3.5. Okay, but here's the problem. I didn't have anything that was going to fit this, any kind of unit. So guess what I got to do? I can hear that lady saying it again. Well, there's somebody, subscriber, that says you just like to buy stuff. Who doesn't? So what I did is I picked this guy up here. I'm feeling fairly confident that it's going to have the size that I need. Okay, so this here is a 10 socket set, specifically made for DeWALT impact driver that I just purchased. And so this is DW22838. And so let's go ahead and unbox it. And then we'll move on to the actual drills. There's two drills, and I have all the information here for you that we'll get into, but that'll be the next video. Alright, so let's move this out of the way so you can see me open this guy up. Okay, let's make sure you can see that. Now my furnace kicked on, so it's a little loud. So let's just go ahead and open this up. And if anything, I have more tools. Hopefully it's going to fit these guys here. So let's set it free. This is SC Custom Designs, where we have 600 some videos. The goal is not to cut myself right now. Boy, that thing is really quite thick. All I did was move it over. So, so we have some 600 videos, and there goes that. It did take that off. Got one more to take off. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's go super crude. And you know, it's the right tool that you need to get for the job. This is wire cutters. I'll get you off one way or another. You're coming off there, sir. So, yeah, we have lots of videos. As I pan around my wood shop, you're going to, the tools you see probably did a video, or 2 or 3 or 4 on the tools. We've been around since 1917. It's been a long day at the office, okay? Just at Custom Designs, we do this on the side, nights and weekends, so. Let's go ahead and come in here. So the contents is, not sure what we're going to see here. So 8 sockets, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4. Impact ready. Impact driver accessories. Okay. So, I mean, I went to Lowe's as it happens, and at first I was sort of piecemealing together, you know, socket extensions and trying to work it out what I can use. And wasn't that nice? And I came across this and I put the other units back. Okay, just lift that up. All right, let's just go with the biggest one here. Perfect. Yay. Let's go down to a half inch. All right, not perfect. He happens to be a 9/16. So those are the winners. And I'll be able to go on. Let me go ahead and bring you over. Hopefully my camera doesn't fall off my little simple tripod. So there we go. But it looks really nice, isn't it? It just slides along this metal bar, like so, and drops down in there. And there you go. So now I'll be able to take that and put it on my impact driver. It slides right off. And all right, so that's that. Does it slide right back on again? That's what it's like when you have one hand. So, all right, real short video to just show you how I addressed, how I'm going to deal with the situation. And yeah, we're going to be unboxing this guy here. Well, we've already unboxed it, but I just have everything in the bag now. Thanks for watching this short video on getting the 10 socket set. Okay. Impact ready. Basically for the tool that I just bought, which is sweet. I like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It appears that I don't have all of my bits. That's probably because they include this as some of the 10 pieces. So they give you two extensions. Naturally, this is going to fit into your impact drill. I really like the impact drill. There's 2 of them, but one specifically that just receives this. You're going to be very happy and pleased to see how easy it is to work with it. So I'm very excited to get that going for you. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to drill into this cinder block. Have some fun with that. And we're going to drill into this piece of wood here. Just to have our way with it, my friends. Sometimes we can have fun in the wood shop, just doing stuff like this. All right, thanks for tuning in. SC Custom Designs. If you've been a long-time subscriber, you'll notice that I moved my sign. It was back there. I find myself doing more and more work in this local area here, since I absconded this shelf from my wife's sewing room. I made it for her sewing room, and one day she declared she didn't need it anymore. I was like, yay! And it sat down here for a while, and I finally figured out where to have it. So I have this new reorg where I'm going to go slow, folks, slow as I can, just sort of go in this little circle here and show you that I can really get a lot of work done in this little area. It reminds me of my friend Barney, Barney's Woodshop. Look him up in the UK. What a wonderful chap he is. And you know, in the UK and various other countries, you don't really have a lot of room. So, you know, we have to be grateful for the room that we do have. All right, thanks again. Take care, guys. What do we got here? A 10-minute video. It's a miracle. Take care. We're going to do our thing where we say goodbye in several languages. Swing you around here. Hopefully I don't drop my camera. Sorry for the shaking. Shalom uvracha lechaverim sheli ba'aretz Yisrael. Bye to my friends in Israel. Masalami. That's Arabic for peace upon you. And otherwise saying, how was your peace? And Tutsins is Afrikaans. It's see you later, something like this. Zaijin, it's Mandarin, Chinese. I went to China many years ago. Been to Russia. Anything that comes to mind right now is Das Vidanya. At any rate, all right, take care. Been a long day at the office, so thanks for humoring me, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I promise to entertain you, all the while to educate you and have fun. I like to learn about new tools with you. You'll see my first impressions, which I think is pretty cool to see a first impression. Take care. Bye-bye.